High-density plastic. Sloped design drains grease. Oven safe to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Not dishwasher safe. Dimensions: 8W×10L inches. Nordicware 8 in WX9-3/4 in L bacon rack white. Top reviews from the United States. Replaced one exactly like this. We had a bacon tray exactly like this made by Anchor Hawking for over 20 years. I first checked eBay. All that was for sale were vintage trays, meaning they were old and well used. I checked Amazon and they had a tray that was like my old one for about the same price. With only my wife and I using this tray, I usually make 4 slices of bacon. They fit perfectly after doubling over one end. It catches the grease perfectly under the raised up cooking bacon. I recommend this item.